guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cori if you are new here, and before we get into today's video, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below of things that you would like to see from my channel in the future because it really helps me out. And let me know what you guys like to see on my channel. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, I am going to be bringing you guys around my day and showing you kind of what I eat and how I kind of avoid eating all of my quarantine snacks, because the first week I kind of did that. I learned more things that I can do to keep busy and kind of how to eat throughout the day just so I can avoid overeating, over snacking, all of that good stuff. So I am going to say that this video is over the course of 2 days because the first day I started recording, I didn't really do anything that exciting. I literally went outside and pretty much stayed out there all day and didn't really do anything else except for like watch TV when we got back home. So I kind of wanted to make it more interesting and kind of show you what I do in a typical quarantine day. So if you're interested in seeing kind of what I eat in a day to stay healthy and stay on track with my fitness goals, then just keep watching this video. Look at that, that was a perfect flip.
Yeah, babe, good job.
all stuck inside. And when you're stuck inside, bored, don't have a lot to do, you can't really go do anything, it is so much easier to snack and eat all of your quarantine snacks, if you know what I mean. Trust me, I get it. But one of my tips to kind of help prevent that, if you are trying to, you know, stay healthy, stay on track, and not gain the quarantine 15, I'm just kidding, I just saw that meme somewhere and I thought it was funny. But my tip is to still continue to eat your 3 meals a day with little snacks in between. And some snacks that I like to have, as you saw, were just some cucumbers with salt on them. That is something that's super important, is if you are going to eat snacks in between each meal, try to make it a fruit or a veggie, because 1, it's pretty low in calories, 2, they're really good and it's really good for you and it's packed with nutrients. That's something that we should really be focusing on right now anyways, getting as many vitamins and minerals as we can into our bodies to stay healthy, and they just taste good. I know it's kind of hard when you're not really on a schedule anymore to eat 3 meals a day, but honestly, it's kind of helped my mental health and just kind of keep me on track too, like knowing what time of the day it is, you know what I mean? If you're not really working and stuff like that right now, it's kind of hard to lose track of time and realize that, oh, it's 2 o'clock and I haven't even eaten breakfast yet. So if you can, I really recommend you still eating your 3 meals a day, because it helps prevent you from binge eating later on in the night whenever you're like watching movies or something and your body is like, oh my gosh, I haven't really eaten today, let's eat all of my snacks. So yeah. cool videos planned out for the future because I have a lot more free time now. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because I do post new videos every single week. And without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Go outside and do something that makes you happy today. Bye.